So it's night 10. We got a crew here. We got Tent City. Having some nice conversation around the not campfire. Yeah, we have a science experiment taking place.
Highly effective. Whoever thought of it is a genius.
Ant-Man, aka Cruz. Half of Whiskey Force, the other half's over there doing something. Trisha. We have Matt, TBD / maybe Real Talk, no one knows. Unicorn. We got Rental. Getting the tent together. Oh, it looks comfy. Dang, you guys got a lot of space in there.
Triplex, baby.
Spacious. There's water down there. We got Garrett. Where'd your dad go?
He went down with
Down to get water.
Christy, yeah.
Camping near the water source. Yeah. Freaking party and a half tonight. Woohoo!
What happens when there's water in the desert? We all congregate for water.
Water!